Welcome to this introduction to the Poisson distribution. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating statistical concept used to predict the probability of rare events occurring over a fixed interval. We will break down the formula and see how it works in the real world. So, what exactly is the Poisson distribution? In simple terms, it is a discrete probability distribution. It helps us calculate the likelihood of a specific number of events happening within a set period of time or space, assuming we know the average rate at which they usually occur. This concept is often referred to as the law of rare events. It deals with situations where there are many opportunities for an event to happen, but the actual probability of it happening at any specific moment is very low. Remember, we are dealing with discrete events, meaning whole numbers like 1, 2, or 3, not fractions. Crucially, these events are counted over a fixed interval. This interval can be anything. It might be time, like the number of emails you get in an hour. It could be area, like trees in an acre of forest. Or it could even be volume, such as bacteria in a milliliter of water. The most important parameter in this distribution is lambda, represented by the Greek letter you see on screen. Lambda represents the average rate of occurrence. For example, if you typically receive 5 emails every hour, then your lambda is 5. This average is the anchor for our calculations. Here is the formula that makes it all work. It looks complex, but let us simplify it. On the left, we have the probability of getting exactly k events. On the right, we use our average rate, lambda, and 2 mathematical constants to find that probability. The symbol E stands for Euler's number, which is approximately 2.718. It is a fundamental constant in mathematics. In our formula, it helps us determine the baseline probability, specifically the chance of 0 events occurring. The k with an exclamation mark represents the factorial of k. This part of the equation scales the probability down as the number of events increases. For instance, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This ensures the math balances out for higher numbers. Where do we use this? Everywhere. Call centers use it to predict how many calls they will get per minute to staff correctly. Publishers use it to estimate typos per page. Traffic engineers use it to count cars passing a point to optimize traffic lights. For the Poisson distribution to be valid, 3 conditions must be met. First, events must be independent. One happening does not change the chance of another. Second, 2 events cannot happen at the exact same instant. And third, the average rate must remain constant throughout the interval. Here you can see how the distribution looks. The horizontal axis shows the number of events, and the vertical axis is the probability. Notice how the shape changes with lambda. When the average rate is low, the graph skews right. As lambda increases, it becomes more symmetrical, looking more like a bell curve. To wrap up, remember that the Poisson distribution is your tool for predicting rare events over a fixed interval. As long as you have a constant average rate and independent events, you can use this powerful formula to make accurate predictions about the future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.